Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a new story for you. This story will help you practice your English listening skills. Please listen carefully. Do not worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax and enjoy the story. You can watch this video 1 time, 2 times, or even 3 times. Every time you listen, you will understand more. If you want, you can read the subtitles on the screen. This will help you follow the story easily. At the end of the story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This helps us make more videos for you. Now let's begin today's story. The topic is school. Sit back, relax and listen carefully. Here we go. A day at school. Every morning Lily wakes up at 7 o'clock. She eats breakfast with her family. Then she puts on her school uniform. Her bag is blue and it is very heavy with books. Lily walks to school with her friend Tom. They talk about their homework. The school is not far from her house. It takes only 10 minutes to walk there. When Lily arrives at school, she says hello to her teacher, Mr. Green. He is kind and always smiles. The first class is math. Lily likes math because numbers are fun for her. After math, the students have English class. They read a short story and answer questions. Lily's teacher says, "Listening is important. If you listen carefully, you will learn faster." At 10 o'clock it is break time. Lily and her friends go outside to play. Some children play football. Others sit under a tree and eat snacks. Lily eats an apple and talks with Tom about their weekend plans. After break they have science class. The teacher shows them how plants grow. Lily writes notes in her notebook. She wants to remember everything. At noon it is lunchtime. Lily eats rice and vegetables. The food is delicious. She feels happy and full. In the afternoon there is art class. Lily loves to draw. Today she draws a picture of her family. Her teacher says, "This is beautiful, Lily." Finally school finishes at 3 o'clock. Lily says goodbye to her friends and teachers. She walks home thinking about her fun day. At home, Lily tells her mother, "I learned so much today." Her mother smiles and says, "I am proud of you."